Par sécurité.
Midnight on the old plantation road, where Highway 61 meets my heaven. Been singing for nickels, dreaming for more when she appeared at that crossroads door. Red lips smiling in the pale moonlight, vintage dress and eyes burning bright. Said, honey, I've been waiting here for you. Got everything you want and it's all coming true. But I said no to the devil at the crossroads, no to the fame and the fortune she showed. I'd rather play my truth to an empty room than sell my soul for a golden tune. I said no to the devil at the crossroads. Now I'm walking down this harder road, but every note I sing is mine to own. The devil went home alone. She offered me Nashville and Grammy gold, platinum records and stories untold. Your voice could move mountains, she said with a grin. Just sign right here and let the magic begin. But I looked at my guitar, strings wanting no. Said, lady, my songs ain't meant to be sold. I got blood in these lyrics, pain in these chords. That's worth more than your devils and lords. So I said no to the devil at the crossroads, no to the fame and the fortune she showed. I'd rather play my truth to an empty room than sell my soul for a golden tomb. I said no to the devil at the crossroads. Now I'm walking down this harder road,
Suzy.
but every note I sing is mine to own. The devil went home alone. Now the local folks, they call me crazy.
Oh là, c'est bien qu'il y a un peu d'ombre là.
Say I could have had it all, baby. But when I play these songs at Jake's bar, people drive for miles near and far. They can feel the fire that I kept inside, the soul I never sold, the truth I never died. Yeah, I said no to the devil at the crossroads, no to the easy path that she showed. I'd rather play my truth to hearts that feel than fake a smile for a record deal. I said no to the devil at the crossroads. Now I'm queen of this harder road. Every scar and every song's my own. Left that
C'est pour
devil
le pare-brise. Hein?
So when you reach your crossroads, child, remember what I've told. Some things ain't meant for buying, and souls ain't meant to be sold.